What is up YouTube? So yeah, we're back. Tagal natin nawala, halos 1 year din na hindi ako nakagawa ng video. Since competition season ko na ulit, record natin lahat yan. Document natin. Tulog pa yung ating videographer, so solo muna tayo ngayon. Samahan niyo ako, mag-grocery tayo. And papakita ko sa inyo yung aking essentials ngayon na ako ay naka-prep. And a few weeks out from my first competition. Hindi natin muna bibilhin ngayon is yung ating chicken breast since may stock pa tayo. Naka-marinate na siya. So usually pag bibili ako ng chicken breast, ini-stock ko na yan lahat sa ref para hindi na ako palabas-labas ng bahay. Get ready with me as I show you my main needs in prep and how I manage to make it less boring. So, pina-under na natin ang motor, syempre. Di tayo pwede mag-drive na walang music. Since restricted na calories natin, we need to find a way so that we can enjoy while staying on a deficit. So, ayun, umalis na rin tayo. And nakarating na rin tayo sa pinag-groceryhan natin, which is sa Save More. Unang essential natin of course is Splenda, which is my replacement sa sugar. Next na binili natin ay ang sugar-free na chocolate from Coles, which is my favorite dessert pala na prep. Next, ang sugar-free C2, which is 0 calories by the way. Available na rin ito sa 7-Eleven. Ricoa, which na hinahalo natin for our hot chocolate. And also bubblegum para di rin naman tayo magutom and iniisip rin ng katawan na kumakain tayo kasi lagi tayong ngumunguya. How could we forget our sugar-free soda? So yung Sprite Zero ang kinuha natin and medyo nagugutom at nauuhaw na rin ako kaya ininom na rin natin siya. Lastly is yung Right and Light, which is ini-include ko siya whenever I am eating my chicken para di tayo maumay. So yun na muna sa ngayon. We headed straight to the counter to pay for our groceries. Medyo napamahal tayo pero it's okay. Gagamitin din naman natin para mapadali ang prep. Alright guys, so ito yung tsura ng ating ref ngayon. Di na siya nagkasya kaya nilagay ko sa taas. And we are all set for the week. Kakatapos lang natin mag-grocery nung kanina. It is 5 PM. Magagabi na ngayon. And we are on our way sa gym. But first, kakape muna tayo. Ayun guys, so pumunta muna kami sa coffee shop. Kasama natin pinsan ko na si Joshua. Gotta get that caffeine boost, bro. Andito kami sa Foam Coffee, which also is my favorite coffee shop in town. Maganda ambience, maganda surroundings, and magandang tambayan rin whenever you want to unwind or just chill. After namin magkape at mag-usap-usap, dumiretso na kami sa gym.
I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right. Guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way.
Yo, so that concludes our video guys. Inabot tayo ng closing na naman sa gym as you can see. And 9 usually nagko-close yung gym. So konting upper body circuit lang since malapit-lapit na rin yung laro. Probably a few more weeks out until makita talaga natin yung peak ng katawan natin.